it's
fair.
It's been warm, it's been dry, it's been sunny, and it's going to stay that way. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, if you're heading out to the State Fair of Texas, it's just the same stuff that we've had so far since the opening day of the State Fair of Texas. Humidity will start going back down for the early part of the week as a weak front moves through. So tomorrow 91, Monday 86, 87 on Tuesday. We'll stay in the middle to upper 80s through most of the upcoming work week. And then by next Saturday, we're back to 91 degrees. The normal high, by the way, this time of the year drops to 80 degrees. So I think a lot of folks have expressed their concerns on social media that it feels like we're missing out on fall a little bit because we're staying so far above normal, and then before long, it's going to be November before you know it. And then all of a sudden, it's just going to start getting really chilly around here. So in the meantime, enjoy it. It's been fairly nice. Warm, sunny days, some cool mornings. Very dry, though. We need some rain. Texas stays dry. North Texas stays dry over the next 7 to 14 days. This is the rainfall outlook through all the way through next weekend, and still no rain in North Texas in the forecast, not only through next weekend, but over the next 2 weeks. We look to be very dry, not only in North Texas, but most of Texas. And then I want to show you this. The big concern will be Florida. Flooding rains are expected in Florida next week, the middle of next week especially. We're looking Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. There could be 8 inches to 12 inches plus of rainfall across Florida. Big storm surge, serious damaging winds. We're very concerned with this. Obviously, we had Helene not that long ago bring catastrophic storm surge to parts of Florida, some flooding rains, obviously the damaging winds, and they're still cleaning up from that, and another storm system has already taken shape. Earlier this afternoon, Tropical Storm Milton formed in the western Gulf of Mexico. It's still a tropical storm at this hour with winds of 45 miles an hour, but it will intensify pretty quickly as we go through the next couple of days. So if you take a look at its track, by Monday evening, we're already looking at a Category 2 hurricane with winds 100 miles per hour, and then a Category 3, which is a major hurricane. By the time we get to Tuesday evening, there's a chance this even creeps into Category 4 territory before making landfall. Right now, it's the Gulf Coast of Florida. They're going to get a landfall of a hurricane. The question is exactly where. Honestly, this far out, it doesn't matter. The impacts are going to be high somewhere along the coast of Florida. Everybody there hopefully taking some serious preparations. And then that 2 that you see over Florida, I think there's going to be a question on that. That's just after landfall, so it will have weakened a little bit. So we expect landfall right now sometime Wednesday morning or into the afternoon. Now, if you look at all of the models, you can kind of see where that cone comes from. You look at all these different models and their possible solutions. When you're this far out, you kind of expect a little bit of disagreement, but anywhere from the Big Bend area, from Cedar Key down through Tampa, and Tampa's kind of right in the center of where all of these models are coming together, and possibly down even to Fort Myers or even farther to the south. Either way, Florida, big hurricane expected. Middle of next week. It's quiet here. Tonight 70 degrees, mostly clear, pleasant, light winds. Tomorrow 91, mostly sunny, dry, warm, light winds. The 14-day forecast. Same stuff. No changes. I mean, a couple of days. Oh, sure, we might drop to 82 here or there. 84 that following Wednesday. And then for the Red River rivalry,